Today we'll make Finnish garlic potatoes, Valkosipuliperunat. This is a very nice dish to accompany any meat or fish dish made in oven. I have here 3 pounds of potatoes, 1 onion, and I'll be using about 8 cloves of garlic. You can use the amount of garlic that you like. If you like a lot of garlic, I recommend using at least 8. Slice the raw potatoes to thin slices and then chop the onion and the garlic. Then we need to butter the pan, and then we'll start adding the potato slices individually there. Then add salt and black pepper to each layer. Then add the onions and then repeat this as long as you have more potatoes. So potato, salt, pepper, onions. Potato, salt, pepper, onions. And then you will need to have about 2 cups of heavy cream added on top. Oven is preheated to 400 degrees. You can use also 450, and in an hour it will look like this. Listen to this. Thank you for watching, and please share if you like the recipe.